Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Porsche Cayenne 2013. So you've got telephone handset there and phone there. Click on the phone. Phone and options. Options. Bluetooth settings. New device, device list. Device list. Barry's iPhone. Click on that, and then you've got the option to rename or delete. I want to delete it. Delete Barry's iPhone, yes. So again, click on the phone, rename or delete, yes. That's it. That's how you delete a mobile.